Good Monday afternoon, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather here on October the 28th. Taking a quick look here at the next few days here. We do have two things that we're going to mention today. This is going to be a shorter video vlog. Just been super busy. Haven't had time this morning to get out a video vlog. We'll get a more in-depth one out tomorrow morning. But two things to talk about this evening, and that is chance of severe weather for Wednesday, October the 30th, and the extreme wildfire danger. But first, let's start off with the severe weather chances for October the 30th, that Wednesday. As you can see here, there's a yellow-colored area, slight risk area. At this time, it includes Polk County, Mena, DeQueen areas, and northern portions just north of Foreman in Little River County. Elsewhere, you have a marginal risk for Hot Springs, Mount Ida, which is a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for Mount Ida, Hot Springs, Malvern, Arkadelphia, Hope, Texarkana areas, Ashdown areas, Nashville, Derricks, other areas there. Once again, here's some things to mention here for this. Expected hazards with this. Primary threats include damaging winds, or damaging wind gusts. Large hail will be possible with the stronger storms, and we can't rule out the possibility for a low chance for a tornado or two. What's going to end up happening is these storms are going to really fire off earlier in the evening or afternoon, probably off over here in Oklahoma, move towards us, and then as they do, they start to lose that oomph to them as they go further east from just the timing this event looks to be. Well, there is just some cape or energy there needed for some storms and severe weather. You do have some dew point values that are going to be up near 70 degrees potentially, is what the model data continues to show for Wednesday. And we'll continue to monitor that and keep you updated with the newest on that. But once again, timing for this, storms may develop earlier in the day along a cold front in areas to our north, with stronger storms expected to initiate later in the afternoon or evening across the southern plains and Ozarks. So really, this is going to be more of a late evening overnight event for us here in Southwest Arkansas. So what's driving this setup? We have a powerful upper level trough moving out of the west. This will help trigger some thunderstorms along an advancing cold front with us across central U.S. The most favorable environment for storm development with sufficient moisture and instability will be set up from Kansas southward, including areas of western Arkansas. If we zoom this out, you'll see here there's an area from up even to Iowa all the way down to just north of Dallas, and included the Oklahoma City area and such there as well. But we'll zoom back in on Southwest Arkansas. So what to expect? Once again, storms that develop could organize into supercells with rotating updrafts. Let me say that right. With the increased risk for large hail and damaging winds. While the risk for tornadoes is low, isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out. Severe activity may taper off into the overnight hours, like we said earlier, as storms lose that energy with those cooling temperatures, and they just lose that daylight. We'll continue to monitor this setup closely, and we're going to continue to have more updates out over on Facebook with this and talk more about this setup. Now, once again, we'll have more in-depth probably more in-depth video on this severe weather chance come tomorrow. But real quickly, I do want to show you what the new North American model as of 18Z was showing for the rest, or basically throughout this period and into Halloween. So starting off throughout the rest of today, you can pretty much see, not seeing a whole lot as we go throughout the day today, even into the time frame for tomorrow. Maybe some isolated showers or two tomorrow morning. We'll watch that closely. Then as we go into the evening, just continue expecting to see dry conditions until really we head into that overnight time frame. Now, this is on the 30th. This is Wednesday, October, on that Wednesday as of 10 a.m. Some scattered showers and some scattered showers and some storms could be possible. But really, the main story is when you start to look off over towards the middle of the night, or basically overnight time frame, midnight, and just a little after that, you can see showing the potential for a line of storms potentially moving towards us. Now, what occurs with this as we continue forward, we'll have to wait and see. We do have a good possibility that this will bring through Wednesday through Friday of this upcoming week that we could see up to a half an inch to 1 inch of rainfall, maybe even some locally heavier amounts of up to 2 inches of rainfall could be possible there for portions of our coverage area. This even goes into Halloween morning there on October 31st, so really an overnight event. Now, once again, remember, timing's going to change, things are going to change, but the main story is early or late evening and overnight time frame looks likely. Some showers will be possible throughout Halloween, decreasing and moving a little further east. Some of our areas will probably still see rain come Thanksgiving evening, Halloween evening, not Thanksgiving evening. That is still a month away or so. But as you can see there, rain chances just continue to decrease as we go throughout Halloween evening and move more off towards the east. Now, once again, could still see some showers and some storms left over there, but that's going to bring us some rain, and really that tells you the story for that. Now, once again, that's just one model. We continue to look at other models such as like the GFS. Give me 1 second. Let me pull it up and see what that is showing. Now, once again, just one thing to remember. This is one of the many pieces we use to build a puzzle. It's not the only one we use. So just remember that, and just remember to keep a close eye on the forecast as we head towards Wednesday. Once again, this is the GFS, and this is what it's showing for Wednesday. Once again, it has something similar, just a little earlier, and it's not, well, this isn't going to show up super, this is composite reflectivity. This isn't high resolution, so you can't really make out all the different thunderstorms, but you can see it's got the same general idea. A line of storms forming and moving off towards the east here late into the evening and early overnight hours come this Wednesday and into Thursday during this time frame. That trend continues throughout the morning there and continues showing showers decreasing as we head into the evening across southwest Arkansas there on Halloween. Now, we'll continue to keep a close eye on that and continue to keep you updated with the newest. Another thing to mention, and let's actually see how far this will go. I don't think it'll go. This is higher resolution model guidance, and this is the HRRR. This is its first run, and this basically shows you the morning and early afternoon time frame for potentially that Wednesday. Some good news, some rain chances, but once again, we'll monitor those severe weather chances, but shows you some just, scattered showers and some storms being a possibility there. Now, real quickly, I do want to pull up the Arkansas Forestry Department's website and show you. While we are talking about all this rain chances and all that, we got to remember we now have an extreme wildfire danger. You can see these red colored areas here for portions of the coverage area and portions of Arkansas. Elsewhere, still got a high risk for wildfire danger. Extreme means fires start quickly, spread furiously, and burn intensely. Every fire started has the potential to become large. Expect extreme erratic behavior out of those. So what this tells you, is listen to those burn bans. Don't burn. I know we got some rain this weekend. That didn't really make a big impact at all, really, on what we've seen. With this continues to increase. We've had reports of grass fires and just, seen more and more reports as we've continued to move forward into this time frame. Now, some rain chances do look likely for later the half of this week, but right now, still very dry. Just continue to remember that. So, once again, really the main headlines this week is wildfire danger is high, really up to extreme. And chance of severe weather, some heavy rainfall or some rainfall will be possible later half of this week to start off November, which we'll continue to keep you updated with all that. We'll be back with another more probably in-depth and organized morning outlook coming out tomorrow morning. And as always, have a good rest of your Monday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Big thanks as always to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, and Tanner Energy and Nutrition for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. And as always, have a good rest of your Monday.